Good morning, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to it's an informal truck meet. So before the rally season every year, there's a group of us locally that like to meet up at a Truckers Café, bring our lorries along, and just general have a chit chat and a catch up. It'll be a really good meet, so we'll pick things up at my friend's house because I'm not taking the van. If you're a regular to the channel, you'll know that a couple of weeks ago I got to drive a Renault Magnum. John, who owns the Renault Magnum, is taking me along as a passenger to today's rally. Oh, we're off. Oh, it goes. Now, like all good truckers, we love a coffee, and McDonald's was open. It was on the way and we thought we'd stop in. No, my Scania wouldn't fit through the drive-through.
No, it wouldn't.
No, it would take that bar with it. Alright, so here we are. This is the Lodge Café, just on the road between Holbeach and I think it's Fleet Hargate. I'm not 100%, I'll put the thing up there, but yeah, this is the scene for the rally today. Now for me, the best thing about these meets is because there's no pre-booking or anything, anyone can turn up with any vehicle and you don't know what's coming until you go. So as you can see from the lineup, there was a brilliant selection of ERFs, you've got Volvos, there was a Scania there, nice 4 Series, some French stuff as well, a couple of Renaults. Anyway, here's a montage of the vehicles leaving the show. So that concludes my day out at the Lodge Café with John, the Magnum, and all the other fantastic vehicles. Next week, I am going on holiday, so I'm hoping in the next few weeks I'm going to bring you some transporty videos from my holiday. I won't tell you where I'm going, but it's something quite different. It's something that I haven't done before, so it might work, it might not work, I don't know. But that's that. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.